In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Gmail with the additional functionality of BCC. This feature allows you to send an email to multiple recipients without revealing their email addresses to each other, which is essential for maintaining privacy. So let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. First off, we need to get into the Gmail world. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your email credentials to access your inbox. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar layout of your Gmail interface, ready for you to start your email journey. Now, let's kick things off by crafting a new message. On the top left corner of your screen, you'll see a prominent Compose button. Give that a click and it will open up a new email window where you can start to work your magic. Next up, it's time to consider who this email will be addressed to. In the To field, right there at the top, you can enter your primary recipient's email address. This step is optional if you intend to use BCC exclusively, but it can be helpful to have a main point of contact visible to everyone. Speaking of BCC, let's make sure we get that visible. Just to the right of your To field, there's a BCC option you can click. Once you do that, you'll see a new BCC field appear right below the To field. This is where you'll enter the email addresses of any additional recipients you want to include confidentially. Begin typing the email addresses of these recipients into the BCC field. If you're emailing multiple recipients, make sure to separate each email address with a comma, ensuring that everyone you want to contact is included seamlessly. This step is crucial for situations where privacy is a priority, as none of the BCC'd recipients will see each other's email addresses. With recipients in place, it's time to move on to the heart of your message. Enter your subject in the designated field so your recipients know immediately what your email is about. Then go ahead and craft your email body, ensuring you communicate everything you need to say effectively and clearly. Finally, once you've double-checked that everything is as you want it, from recipients to subject to body content, it's time to wrap things up. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of this Compose window, where you'll find the Send button. A simple click on that finalizes your message and sends it off to its eager recipients. And there you have it. Successfully sending an email with BCC using Gmail is easy when you follow these steps. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, empowering you to make the best use of Gmail's features while maintaining the privacy of all involved. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.